Hey there, Tracy Coughlin with Steffes Auctioneers. Today I am just northeast of Newton, Iowa at the Kirke Quinn Estate Equipment Auction. And boy, I'm excited to be here. We have some really nice stuff here to showcase at this auction that opens on August 26th and closes on September 2nd. You can find details on all this equipment at steffesgroup.com under the Kirke Quinn Estate Auction. A couple pieces right behind me. We got a John Deere Gator 2024 with only 14 hours. That T630 Bobcat's got 250 hours. A 23 F-150 with just 40,000 miles. And that little Case IH Maxim back there with just 1,800 hours on it. So this is a really super nice, clean line of equipment with a bunch of shop tools and other items. You'll find something, I guarantee it, on this auction. Check it out. Kirke Quinn Equipment Auction on steffesgroup.com.